My name is Isaac. I am a shop intern here at 7 Robotics. I would say that the thing that got me interested in mechatronics was a CIS class that I took at UCC my junior year in high school, and it introduced me to programming in Python, which is sometimes used in robotic applications. Yeah, UCC has been a big part of my life. I've been taking classes there since my sophomore year in high school. And the class that has stuck with me the most so far has been my computer information science class, because it did get me into programming in the first place. There was also Mech 123, which was my first mechatronics class, and it got me started down this road. It introduced me to the industrial side of PLC programming and just ladder logic and all kinds of stuff. There were a lot of things that I recognized from the classes I took. Even though I wasn't, used to working with them in person, I was aware of them. So that really helped in that case. And my Mechatronics 123 class also, it was so cool how well it meshed into 7 Robotics. Everything from like the brands of PLCs matched up to what we were talking about in Noah's class. It was just a really kind of seamless transition. In March of this year, I went to the Explore UCC event. I went straight to the 7 Robotics booth and got to talk to Joey. We just kind of talked, and he was asking me questions about where I was at. Heard that I was in the mechatronics program and gave me a tour of 7 Robotics. And we just kind of hit it off there, and he offered me an internship. The thing I'm most excited about is starting our next tooling, and also the travel. I got to take a trip with Ryan to Klamath Falls my second day, and that was so cool, being able to see the robot in action. And it's not in the shop, it's actually doing something out in someone's factory, and I'm just so excited to do that again. At my last job that I worked at, it was already an established company. So being in something that's still like growing and still has a lot of room to grow, it's kind of inspired me to try to learn as much as I can, so that I can be like a good employee, like almost like a foundational employee, like the people that already work here. I would say that definitely have your head in the game, and just like don't be afraid to ask questions, and ask a lot of questions, because it's no good if you're just attending classes and not getting anything out of them. And I know that even like my math classes even prepared me for this, and especially my computer classes too. So just really being invested in them and trying to get anything you can out of them, I would say that that's one of the most important things.